Good afternoon. Today is Friday, December 29, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Store 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 29, 2023, Friday. Here are the SL Store 3 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for December 29, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for December 29, 2023, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.